Yo, what's going on? Yo, we're on our way right now to Cane's. We're gonna get some protein gains. Yeah, dude, let's go get it. I'm stoked. Let's get these. Yes. Let's get it. And we're back. Yo, what's up? How you guys doing?
We are eating Raisin Cane's.
Canes.
I think this is something that's all over the world. I'm not sure. Actually, I think it's something that was in the East Coast and then came over here to the West Coast.
Oh, it started at East Coast first?
I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think. But anyway, so I got.
Look at her bread. She's gonna wait.
We got home with the food and we set it up and everything, and then I just randomly took a bite and he was like, I was like, oh my god, I'm so hungry. I didn't even realize I just started eating.
Yeah, when we got home, we had a lot to do. But yeah.
But we're here now. So I don't know if you guys have ever had Cane's, but they just have like these chicken tender on their chicken tender meals on their menu. You got I think it's called like the Craniac or something. The Craniac? Yeah, I don't have my phone, it's over there. But, and then mine's like the box. The Craniac? I don't know, the box something. I don't remember. But you guys can look up the menu if you want to know what it's called. And to give you guys a heads up, sorry if you guys hear all the dogs and stuff outside barking, but you know. Our neighborhood has dogs. A lot. Yeah, anyway, so normally you get like a little thing of, or like it's bigger than this, but like you get some coleslaw. We both don't really like coleslaw, so we got an extra toast instead. You get that like Texas toast. It's really good. You can't go wrong with an extra toast, man. Oh, let's do a thumbnail. And then you also get this Cane's sauce that's like supposedly the best, but I think Chick-fil-A sauce is better in my opinion. I think this is better in my opinion. Really? I don't know, there's like a spice in this that, I don't know, it's just weird. I eat it, it's just not like my favorite. But yeah, we're gonna dig in. She already dug in though. I did. I was starving after the gym. I always do that, okay? I always do that. Bruh. Don't be interrupting me now. Something I have to clear. Were you choking? No. But every time he's trying to take a picture of a video of our food, you can always expect like one bite taken out of my food. Cause I can never wait. Huh? You dip the toast in the sauce. What? What? You wanna try it? Try it. It's alright. This is a lot of bread. What do you think about it, but... What's your drink? I thought you said you weren't going to get a drink. I said no bevy. You can share. Oh yeah, that's Here, let me help you out. Oh, you got something stuck. What? Oh. Let me my It's not a cold. Last night, we streamed on Twitch last night. If you guys don't know, the channel right here. We don't have a set schedule over there. On Twitch. What? We don't have a set schedule. On Twitch.
Oh.
We don't have a set schedule over there. So go ahead and give him a follow and you'll catch us live randomly. And but anyway, we streamed last night. It was super fun, but we were super hungry, and so we ordered Wendy's because everyone in the chat was like, Wendy's is good, so we got it. And then
well, first off, one of the viewers said they had In-N-Out because we talked about our In-N-Out video.
yeah.
And then I said I would choose Wendy's over In-N-Out. And then they're like, yeah, Wendy's fired.
Somebody was saying something about like some place called Zaxby's or something. No. God damn. God damn. But anyway, the point of the story is that we were supposed to get a Sprite with our order and we got a Coke.
And then I was like, Dr. Pepper. Man, you're skipping stories here.
Go ahead. Originally he was gonna get Dr. Pepper. But then he was like, no.
Well, they're wrong. I was gonna get Sprite. One of the viewers said Dr. Pepper, W. And I was like, oh, you know, Dr. Pepper is fire. I like Dr. Pepper. So then I changed to a Dr. Pepper.
Bruh, if you don't like my storytelling.
She's speaking not the facts.
Either way. He decided he was gonna get a Sprite.
Excuse me.
Oh, damn, you're making all types of noises today.
What?
I can't even get this story out to you guys. Oh.
Bring it out.
Anyway, this chicken is pretty good. Pretty crunchy. What do you think about it? Pretty tender, juicy.
So as we were fixing our setup and all that stuff, we had to kind of like put it in the air fryer for a little bit.
God dang! Way to put... Hey.
No, but because because it was sitting for just a few minutes. Put it in the air fryer and stuff real quick, and it made it 10 times better.
What we did was we had to revive it. Okay, we had to give this food some CPR because it was waiting for us to eat it. So we put it in our brand new air fryer thing, and it's freaking awesome.
Yeah, I love it. So dope.
But anyway, how'd your day go today?
Talking to them?
No, talking to you.
It went great. It was awesome. How about yours?
It was good. I had a long day at work. Then I went to the gym, and it was like the most packed I've ever seen the gym. So I ran out of there because it was just crazy. It's so awkward when you're on a machine or something and people are literally staring at you for 10 minutes straight wondering if you're done and you're not done.
Oh, so, like that. Well, my work was great. Very busy today.
Yeah?
Yep.
That's good.
I thought you just asked me how my day was. It was good. But you asked me how was your day and what did you do?
Oh, my bad. I was going a whole tangent. Sorry. But yeah, I ran out of the gym. It was getting uncomfortable. It was becoming, those memes out there. The awkward people stare at you and stuff. So yeah, I ran out. What's going on over here?
What?
Are your allergies affecting you?
No. What? Dude, we're gonna come. Dude, heat wave's coming through. Oh my god. I'm not ready for that.
I know.
I'm about to stay indoors.
Last week I was honestly getting so excited
I know, because I feel like the was like starting to become better and cooling down here.
Mm-hmm. No, for real. Like, we'll go outside. Like 2 weeks ago, we would still go outside at like 5 p.m., 6 p.m., and it'd still be really hot. And then last week, bruh, what's going on over here? You got a hairball stuck?
God.
God.
And I just eat.
You never eat like that.
Mm.
You never eat like that, and we got proof. Okay.
What?
Anyway.
I was just clearing my throat.
Anyway. Last week, it was like actually breezy and cool around like around like 5 or whatever. So we were like, oh hell yeah, like it's starting to cool down. It's starting to get like, you know, tolerable. Well, we were wrong. Next week it's gonna be like triple digit weather, 103 plus. Next Sunday is gonna be like 109.
I'm not looking forward to that. Man.
Yeah, it's awful. We thought we escaped the triple digit weather, but it had to get us on the last week of August. So here we are.
Here we are.
And I can't wait until we get over this heat and we start sweater weather. That was my favorite weather ever.
Me too. But I hate whenever she like jinx the weather. She's like, it's too cold, and then it gets hot. I love it when it's cold. You can always keep yourself warm, but you cannot keep yourself cool.
You had to think about that one.
Yes, I did. I had to think.
Yeah, so if the weather switches up randomly, just blame me because that's what you do.
Yeah.
Bruh.
What?
You trying to like mock me?
What? Well, I got a sauce here. Another one bite the dust. Please, no copyright. I'm kind of getting full.
Whoa!
Whoa! Here's our forks that we never used.
I'm not sure why they give. Well, I guess
there's people, there's bougie people out there who want to use their forks, you know?
How? Roll it back. Oh shoot! You have my heart racing right now, tapping on this box.
See, you're watching all them paranormal stuff.
Oh my god, that freaked me out right now.
What are you pointing at?
Your soda.
You finished it all. See? Oh, wow, excuse me.
See what I mean? I only take like 3 sips of
No, you don't. That's 3 big gulps. Now that we have no more drink.
That's you, honey.
That's you, honey boo boo.
But
Anyway.
this is good.
It's good.
You need me to chew your food up and
What do you mean?
give at you like a baby bird?
No, what's that about? I'm not choking.
Oh. So what's going on? Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Clear my throat.
Hello, look in your eyes.
Look in my eye.
Anyway, how many of you guys have had canes?
Tell her.
What do you guys think of it?
And when you guys think of that, tell her.
I'll be
Comment down
honest.
below.
When we got our
Hit the
first,
subscribe button. Share this video. Let her know.
share this video if you like canes.
Share this video if you like us. Thank you. You guys are awesome.
Are you closing it out? No.
I'm full now, yo, to be honest. Woo!
I forgot what I was gonna ask. I wasn't gonna ask anything, but I was gonna say
What are you gonna
that when we first got our first canes, you're making me lose my train of thought because I can't.
When was the last- when was the first time-
You're
I don't-
clearing your throat.
Chewing my throat.
That's like clearing. But
When was the first time you ever had stirring?
Huh? What?
It was the first time you ever had canes.
Oh.
Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah. Well, I was.
I don't remember the first time I had canes.
Well, we haven't.
But it was
had
really
it.
good. I liked it.
We haven't had it for that long. I think we've had it only for like, I don't know, 5 years or something. So when I first tried it, like the line was like 5 million cars long. And when I got to the window and I got my order, I think they've messed it up. They forgot to give me my Texas toast, which I was really mad about because that's like the only thing I wanted. And then when I tried it, it wasn't all that. And I was thoroughly disappointed. I don't know what I thought. They were going to serve me a freaking gold on a platter or something. But when I got my food, I was like, I don't know. I mean, it's good. It's just the sauce.
But yeah, I'm full now.
Yeah, we're full now.
We're full now. Hope you guys enjoyed this prank. And
Wait, what?
me just making random noises and clearing my throat and all that
Oh
stuff.
my god. I was like, this guy does not eat like this. Like, I don't know if it's the dust in here we cleaned recently. I don't know what it was, a hairball.
Thank you guys for watching, honestly, and stay tuned for the next videos that are coming out. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you guys are notified whenever our videos are dropped and all that good stuff. You guys will be the first ones to see it. What? But yeah, so bless you.
Sorry.
So yeah, stay tuned. I appreciate y'all so much. And make sure to hit the like button and share the video. Comment down below if you'd like. And yeah, keep it real at all times. I'll catch you on the next one. Your boy RD signing out. Peace.